Hello friends. So in this series we are going to see Python database connectivity. So in this we are going to implement CRUD. So what is meant by CRUD operations that we will see first. So here C means C means create. Means what you are doing, you are creating object in the database. So that is the create operation. Then R is for read, means you are fetching the data from the database, so that is the read operation. Then U is for update means modifying modifying existing data, so that is the update operation. And D is for delete, means you are deleting existing delete object, right? So in this way, this is the meaning of CRUD: create, read, update, and right. So C is for create, that is create means you are creating database or table, so that is the create operation you are doing. So then read means you are fetching the data, for example select query you are firing for fetching all data from the database, so that is the read operation. Then update means you are modifying existing data that is already available in the database, so you are modifying that data, so that is the update operation. And D is for delete, means you are deleting existing object, right? So these are the CRUD operation, and we are going to implement this CRUD operation in our this Python database connectivity. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.